Hello students, welcome to the subject Social Science, Standard 8, Civics chapter number 5, Judiciary. Now we are going to talk in this chapter mainly about judiciary. Why judiciary is kept independent from legislature and execution. Okay, why these two tiers you can say are separated from judiciary. In detail we are going to study about it. Introduction part. A glance at newspaper provides us a glimpse of the work done by the courts, okay, in our country. Why we need this type of courts? You might be thinking, it is already we have done in unit number 2. We talked about why courts are necessary. Is court necessary? Yes, courts are necessary so that whenever any problem comes, we can get justice from the court. As you have read in unit 2, okay, in India we have the rule of law. What this means is that laws apply equally to all persons. All the laws which are there, okay, it equally is applying to all. And it is followed by the law, okay. If your rights have been violated, if any of your fundamental rights have been violated, then courts are there to give justice. So let's see further. What is the role of judiciary? Courts take decision on a very large number of issues. Broadly speaking, the work that the judiciary does can be divided in the following ways. 1. Dispute resolution. What is dispute resolution? Let's try to understand in detail. The judicial system provides a mechanism for resolving disputes between citizen and government, and to state government, and between center and state government. Here in dispute resolution, okay, the courts try to resolve the problems of citizen and citizen. Okay, two people having any sort of problem, their resolution, their dispute, okay, can be solved in this court. Then we have the citizen and the government. Any kind of right which is violated by the government, or the citizen violating any of the rights of the government. So both vice versa, okay, the case could be brought to the court. Here the dispute will be resolved. Then you have two state governments, two different states having issue on any particular case, then that can be resolved. Then you have the center and the state, okay. If anybody is violating the rights or they are misusing the rights, they can complain and that could be resolved further. So as you see, okay, dispute resolution. Then we have the second, judicial review. What is judicial review? As the final interpreter of the constitution, judiciary has the power to strike down the particular laws based on the parliament. Any laws which are being passed by the parliament, if it is against the constitution, against the rights of the constitution, then it is necessary for them to break down, okay. They have the right, courts have the right, and if it is violating the rights, okay, on the basis of the structure of the constitution, is called a judicial review. That's why courts have got the authority. Okay, if any of the parliament, they pass the laws, okay, which is violating the rules, okay, and it is going against the constitution, then necessary rights have to be taken. Third is upholding the law and enforcing fundamental rights. Every citizen of India can approach Supreme Court or High Court if they believe that their fundamental rights have been violated. If they feel their rights have been violated, then they have all the right to go to the court. They can file the case. Here you can see there is a table Okay, type of dispute. Just now we talked about dispute resolution. Okay, courts try to solve the problems related to dispute resolution 1. Okay, second is upholding the rights, fundamental rights of the people. Okay, and that's how they come to some conclusion. So the first one is dispute between center and state. So any example we can put there, dispute between two states. For example, if the water, okay, connected with two states, and one state is having problem with, one state is getting less water, the other state is getting more water, okay, that issue can be solved out. Dispute between two citizens, laws that are violating the constitution, any fundamental right which has been violated, that also can be solved. You can solve this table, okay. So hope you have understood with this topic video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.